Welcome back to our Unity Engine course. In this lesson, we will learn about comments in C# code and how to use them within the Unity engine. Comments in C# code are used to add notes or explanations within the code that will not be executed by the computer. They are useful for providing clarity and context to the code, as well as making it easier to read and understand for other developers. In C#, there are two types of comments: single-line comments and multiple-line comments. Single-line comments are created using double forward slashes at the beginning of the line. Anything following the two slashes on that line will be considered a comment and will be ignored by the compiler. Note that we already have single-line comments above the start and update methods. Let's add a single-line comment next to the declaration of our int variable. For example, let's add here two forward slashes and the text. This variable will be used later as a name count. Multi-line comments are created by enclosing the comment with forward slash asterisk and asterisk and forward slash. This type of comment can span multiple lines. For example, let's add comments above the update method. Forward slash and asterisk and the text modify the names count, and then we could add another line of text which is going to be comment. It's saying modify and print the last item of the names array, and then we could close the multi-line comment using asterisk and forward slash. Notice that the comments here describe what is happening in the code underneath. Comments can also be used to temporarily disable a block of code without deleting it. For example, we can comment the whole block of the update method. In Visual Studio, you can use the following keyboard shortcuts to create single-line and multiple-line comments in C#. To make single-line comments, hold down the Control key, then press the K key first, then the C key immediately after. This will add double forward slashes at the beginning of the selected lines, commenting them out. To make multi-line comment, select the lines you want to comment out, then press Ctrl and Shift and forward slash all together. This will surround the selected lines with forward slash and asterisk and end with asterisk and forward slash symbols, and this will comment them out. To remove comments, you can use the following shortcuts. To undo single line comments, hold down the Control key, then press the K key first, then the U key immediately after. This will uncomment the selected lines. To undo multiple line comments, select the commented block, then press Ctrl and Shift and forward slash all together. This will uncomment the lines. In summary, comments in C# code are a useful tool for providing clarity and context to your code. They can be used to explain the purpose of variables and methods, and they can provide notes and reminders, and temporarily disable blocks of code. Remember to use them wisely and consistently in your Unity script. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will cover another fundamental aspects of Unity scripting.